Running out of ice during a summer barbecue, a family party, or even just while trying to enjoy a cold drink after a long day is incredibly frustrating. Waiting hours for traditional plastic freezer trays to freeze takes forever, and making a last-minute run to the gas station for a heavy bag of melting ice cubes is an absolute chore. The DUMOS Countertop ice maker completely eliminates that hassle, functioning like a rapid-fire personal ice factory that sits beautifully on your counter and keeps the cold drinks flowing. What makes this portable ice machine an absolute essential for kitchens, offices, and RV camping trips is its lightning-fast production and compact design. Driven by a high-efficiency compressor, it drops its first batch of 9 crisp, chewable bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 to 8 minutes. On a full day of continuous operation, this powerhouse can pump out a massive 26 pounds of ice, ensuring you always have plenty of cubes to fill up your coolers, water bottles, and cocktail glasses. Key performance highlights. Rapid fire production. Delivers 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 to 8 minutes. Perfect for quick entertainment. Built for portability. Features a sturdy, ergonomic flip-up handle and a lightweight footprint, making it incredibly easy to transport from your kitchen counter straight to your RV or tailgate party. Hassle-free auto-cleaning. Equipped with a built-in self-cleaning function that flushes out the internal lines with the press of a button, ensuring every batch of ice stays fresh and pure. The user-friendly design features a clear viewing window on top, so you can easily check on your ice levels without opening the lid and letting cold air escape. It comes fully loaded with a removable ice basket and a handy scoop, allowing you to easily transfer fresh cubes directly into your drinks or freezer storage bags. Operating the machine is entirely foolproof thanks to its smart infrared sensor technology. The intuitive control panel will instantly light up to alert you when the water reservoir is running low or when the ice basket has reached maximum capacity. If you are ready to banish warm drinks for good and enjoy an endless supply of fresh, rapid-fire ice wherever you go, click the link below for the best price. Drop a comment below letting me know if you prefer using this for daily kitchen use or taking it out on camping trips. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more practical home, kitchen, and outdoor appliance reviews, and I will see you in the next video.